Uncover the straightforward solution to the common issue of Bluetooth headphones connected but no audio on Windows 11 or 10. Follow our easy steps to troubleshoot and restore sound to your wireless headphones hassle-free. Don't let audio glitches interrupt your experience. Watch now and enjoy seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Step 1. Open sound settings from the system tray. Ensure Bluetooth headphones are the default playback device. Step 2. Check volume levels in volume mixer for your Bluetooth headphones. Step 3. Ensure headphones are charged and within range. Step 4. Disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth headphones. Step 5. Update Bluetooth drivers in Device Manager. Step 6. Uninstall Bluetooth adapter. Restart for automatic driver reinstall. Step 7. Set Bluetooth headphones as default communication device. Step 8. Check the manufacturer's website for driver updates or troubleshooting.